Anji, good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? Show me thumbs up if you can hear me. Chalo, thank you very much. Myself, Rita, the social science teacher. Today we are going to do chapter Europe. Okay, first question, Frederick painting in 4 version. Right. So unmute Abhishek. Tell me answer quickly. Because today tell me answer. Because today I am not going to tell you answer. देखो जरा जहां आप गलती करोगे
first point we have written this democratic and social republics.
Okay.
In 1848, Frederick Europe, a French artist, prepared a series of 4 prints visualizing his dream of a world.
Wait, Abhishek. You will not explain the whole answer. Just tell me how to write this question. Introduction, then headings, then explanation.
Okay.
In the same way.
Yes, ma'am.
They are not going to write answer.
First we have given some explanation, introduction of this question. Then we write the main points like absolutist institution, like this. We have explained the main points and then ending.
Okay, right, beta.
Yeah, we have done 4 points of this.
Okay. Continue. Beta, camera on. Shabnam, Krishnur, Sania. Cameras on. Yes, Abhishek. Now write question number 2. Srijan, unmute yourself. Beta, which will be the question number 2?
Ma'am, the second question was, what was the major change that occurred in the political and constitutional scenario due to French Revolution in Europe?
क्यों एक नेशन स्टेट वाला भी तो निकलना था क्वेश्चन इसके नीचे से. How can you forget that? Open your book, see. Today we are going to sum up all the 10 pages which we have done. मैं कुछ नया नहीं करवाने वाली हूँ because you are very much aware about your series. Okay. So this question Abhishek told us, right? Can you see? Better look on the screen. This question Abhishek has explained with answers. Okay. Second question from page number 4, nation states. Okay, and this question.
I did not come to school in the beginning, so that is why I have not marked this.
Okay. Don't worry. Just now, please note down. What do you mean by nation state? Nation state will. This question is coming in the form of MCQs or 3 marks. ज़्यादा ये नहीं आता this whole paragraph, and this question already we have not written in the form. Now next page, page number 5. Let me unmute. Shabnam, unmute yourself. Put a camera on. Krishnur, camera on. Sania, Ruzal. Or shall I remove you? If you want to enjoy the lesson, please switch on your cameras. Hanji Vansh, unmute yourself. Frame question and tell me answer from here so that all can write.
Ma'am, what was the constitution of the French Revolution of other of Europe?
Hanji, right, beta. Thank you. Tell me answers.
Ma'am, first introduction.
Okay.
Ma'am, then first point.
Tell me heading, first point heading. You're not audible, Vansh. You're not audible. Tell me first point heading.
Ma'am, the ideas.
Okay, very good. Second.
Ma'am, second, new French flag.
Okay, right. Third.
Third, ma'am, National Assembly.
Right. Fourth.
Ma'am, fourth, hymns and were composed.
Okay. Fifth.
New hands.
Chalo, thank you very
Ma'am,
much.
fifth.
Now, ma'am is thank you, Vansh. Now I want to see your copies where you have written all the questions. ठीक है? And मैं आपको पता है मेरी आदत में copies check करती हूँ. So better to write those answers simultaneously. Switch on camera on beta. Yes. Question number 1. I'm going to write. Please check करो. हाँ पुरुषार्थ बेटा. Yes बेटा. Want to say something, my dear?
Actually, I have a doubt in 2.2, like, which was, what does liberal nationalism stand for?
ठीक है बेटा, आती हूँ मैं उस पे बेटा, उस पे आ जाती हूँ मैं. हम टर्न बाय टर्न वहीं तक सारा करेंगे आज में. आई एम नॉट टीचिंग एनीथिंग न्यू टुडे. ओके, कुछ भी नया नहीं पढ़ा रही हूँ. ओके, हाँ जी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. यू हैव रिटन टुडेस डेट, राइट? इट्स 6 अप्रैल. चैप्टर यूरोप हिस्ट्री. हाँ जी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, यू हैव टोल्ड मी explain Frederick's painting in 4 versions. Explain Frederick's painting in 4 versions. Means 5 marks answer. Okay. Question number 2. What was the idea of nation state? वही बोला था ना आपने. आज जिस क्वेश्चन में दिक्कत है मुझसे अभी पूछ लेना. What was the idea of nation state? Question number 3. What was the impact of French Revolution on the other countries of Europe? Mention the impact of French Revolution. हाँ जी सानिया, shall I remove you बेटा? Anish, last warning बेटा. French Revolution on the other countries of Europe. On the other countries of Europe. Now question number 4. Tanvi Thakur, unmute yourself. Which will be the question number 4?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I didn't attend it. That lesson, so I don't know which was the 4th question.
Okay, this is not good. No, this is not good. But please today note down all the question. अच्छा हुआ ना आज हमने wind up कर लिया. हाँ जी उर्विश, which will be the 4th question from the chapter? Urvish, unmute yourself. Which will be the 4th question?
Ma'am, what was the motive of French Revolution?
Okay, हाँ जी. Page number 5. What was the motive of French Revolution? But this question carry 1 mark on you. इसके आगे वाला बोल दो, ये नहीं लिख रही हूँ मैं, इसको छोड़ो आप, है ना. इसके आगे वाला उर्विश बोलो. But this question carry 1 mark on you. Or you can include this question in the conclusion of French Revolution. ठीक है. हाँ जी बेटा, next please. हाँ जी पुरुषार्थ बेटा. Yes पुरुषार्थ.
The next question is, write any 5 provisions of Napoleonic Civil Code of 1804.
No, उससे पहले भी एक क्वेश्चन निकलता है. सीधा नेपोलियन से पहले भी एक क्वेश्चन निकलता है. हाँ जी शान, कैमरा बेटा.
Ma'am, is it what was the motive of
No.
French Revolution? What was the role of Jacobins?
हाँ, what was the role of Jacobins? Very good. What was the role of Jacobin club? Yes. ऐसे मिस कर रहे हैं आप बेटा?
I'm actually told it to not to write on the notebook, so I missed it.
So what बेटा? Many of the questions you have not written in copy, but it doesn't mean that they are not important. वो भी important है. बीच में वो भी आ सकते हैं. ठीक है? Because total question you can make out 20 more than 20 questions from the chapter. It is not possible for you to write 20 and 25 questions from one chapter only. So I have given you only 10-12 questions to write. Rest the question you will directly do from your textbook. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo. Next question. Anuj, unmute yourself. Let me see. Hanji, Anuj, which will be the next question? Can you help?
Ma'am, what was the political condition of Europe in mid 18th century?
नो बेटा, उससे पहले क्वेश्चन निकलना है. पेज नंबर 6 पे आओ. Frame question from this page. Anuj,
Yes.
स्क्रीन पे देख.
Ma'am, this is, ma'am, Napoleon had no doubt destroyed democracy in France, but the administrative field he had incorporated revolutionary principles in order to make the whole system more rational and efficient.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. अच्छा अनुज, इसके आंसर भी बता दे फटाफट माय डियर. इंट्रोडक्शन.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
yes, ma'am, first introduction.
ओके.
Ma'am, then second is the Napoleon Code.
नेपोलियन कोड तक तो इंट्रोडक्शन है ना. आगे चलो, बोलो
Yeah.
फर्स्ट पॉइंट. हेडिंग बोल दे बस. ओनली हेडिंग. टेल मी हेडिंग ओनली. 5 हेडिंग्स.
Ma'am, before the law.
बेटा टेल मी फर्स्ट हेडिंग अनुज.
Ma'am, first heading, ma'am, equality.
इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ.
Yes.
सेकंड.
And then second heading is abolishment of feudal system.
वेरी गुड. थर्ड.
Ma'am, third. Ma'am, not marked third and fourth.
लिखा होगा बेटा, अंडरलाइन करा होगा अनुज.
Ma'am, underlined but not the heading.
नहीं बेटा, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था, क्योंकि दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड यू हैव अटेंडेड द क्लास ऑन दैट डे. हाँ जी कशिश, टेल मी द थर्ड हेडिंग.
Guild restriction
Yes,
were
guild
removed.
restrictions were removed. Anuj, mark करो बेटा, and rest of the students, those who have not marked, guild restrictions were removed. हाँ जी अनुज, फोर्थ बेटा. अनुज फोर्थ.
Ma'am, uniform laws.
हाँ जी, यूनिफॉर्म लॉज. वेरी गुड. चलो फिफ्थ वन बेटा.
Common national currency.
Yes, common national currency. So your 5 marks answer ready. And this question is very, very important. Yes, Urvish, beta, you raised hand. Want to say something, my dear? I'm unmuting you. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I was raising hand because I want to give the answer.
Sure, sure. कोई बात नहीं, no problem. हाँ जी, Kashish, you raised hand. Want to say something?
Ma'am, I have only raised hand for giving the answer
Okay, right.
of the point.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. चलो, तो your fifth question will be describe Napoleonic Civil Code. It is 04. 5 marks answer. Anuj has explained introduction and all the 5 points with headings. Shabna, Manish, camera on, beta. Now question number 6. Let me see who will make question number 6. Pushant. Yes, beta. You are unmute.
Ma'am, the next question is, what was the reaction of the people to the French rule?
Yes, from page number.
It is page number 7.
Thank you so much, Pushant. What was the reaction of the? Very good. What was the reaction of the people to the French rule? Thank you very much, Pushant. It means you people know the answer. Yes, Urvish, your hand raised. Want to say something?
Ma'am, can you actually repeat the this question answer?
हाँ, last paragraph.
I was not able to.
Last paragraph answer. So when I taught you this question now, I taught you to make all the 3 points from this paragraph. See, can you see I have marked? Can you see on the screen? First point, second point, third point, easily. Next line, third point means from this paragraph, make 3 points and appropriate heading. Right, beta Urvish? Chalo, thank you, beta, thank you. हाँ जी, on the next page, page number 8, Astha Dhawan. Beta, frame question from this page.
What was the political condition of Europe in the 18th century?
Please repeat. Astha Dhawan, please repeat.
What was the political condition of Europe in mid-18th century?
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, beta. Thank you. What was the political condition of Europe? Next question. Question number 7. Describe the political condition of Europe in mid-18th century. Rahul Garwal, camera on, beta. In mid-18th century. Next, question number 8. आराम से करेंगे, डोंट वरी, किसी कोई जल्दी नहीं है, आराम से करो. I'll wait for you. जहां आप कहोगे रुको तो I'll stop. But PT1 सारा पेपर इन्हीं क्वेश्चंस में से आना है. Okay, and 1 mark MCQs from textbook. The lines you have underlined. Start writing all 7 questions. Then we will move forward. Okay. अच्छा, if you have doubt while writing कि मैम ये क्वेश्चन किस पेज पे है, मैम इसका आंसर क्या है, मैम इसका मतलब क्या है, then I'll explain you. हाँ, liberal nationalism you told me, that I will explain. Don't worry, I'll explain. हाँ पुरुषार्थ बेटा, हाँ पुरुषार्थ.
Ma'am, this question also you told not to write on notebook, no?
कोई
Or
बात
we
नहीं,
have to write.
कोई बात नहीं, no problem. Today we are going to wind up the lesson.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, हम क्वेश्चन आंसर कोई नहीं लिख रहे हैं, just preparing question on. Okay, we are not going to write any answer today. Answers नहीं लिखेंगे, we are going to write only questions so that you can wind up the lesson. Srijan, sit properly बेटा. हाँ जी शबनम, कैमरा ऑन. Next, question number 8. Yes, शबनम. Yes, your camera on. यही कहना कि मैम मेरा कैमरा ऑन था, है ना? Yes, Shabnam, you raised hand. Want to say something?
मैम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम के कारण कैमरा बंद हो जा रहा है.
ठीक है, मैं समझ गई. ठीक है बेटा, नो इशू, नो इशू. हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Shan will make question from page number 8. हाँ पुरुषार्थ बेटा. Yes बेटा.
हमने वो आपने पूछा ना नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, तो हैंड रेज किया मैंने.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या?
आपने कहा ना कि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन सा है बताओ, तो मैंने हैंड रेज किया उसके लिए.
तो फिर बताओ, फिर पुरुषार्थ ही बता देता फिर. हाँ पुरुषार्थ बता.
What was the political condition of Europe in mid-18th century? Ma'am, with this we have done.
Yes, we have
Ma'am,
done. It is written
next
on-
is explain the role of aristocracy and the new middle class for nationalism in Europe.
ठीक है, आंसर भी तू ही बताएगा फिर. You raised hand ना? Now tell answer to all.
Yes, ma'am.
तन्वी को खास करके, तन्वी ने क्लास की फर्स्ट टाइम लगा रही है, So she should know the answer.
Now, first intro, it starts from the socially and politically, and still towns and townhouses.
Very good. Very good.
And first point is first we have to make a big point that is role of aristocracy, and under that there will be a subpart which is landed aristocracy,
Okay, first
and
point.
it will start from the
कोई बात नहीं, आराम से बताओ, आराम से, कोई बात नहीं. Let them mark. Those who have not marked, let them mark, and I will check you. Don't worry, आराम से करो.
yes, it is from they spoke French for purposes of diplomacy.
ठीक है. Up to.
It's no, ma'am. First, we have to write the definition of nationalism.
Yes.
Then it will come. Intro is the definition of nationalism.
Yes.
And first, we have to make a role of aristocracy, and its subpart would be landed aristocracy. And it will be from socially and politically to townhouses.
Okay.
The second point will be purposes of diplomacy, and it will start from they spoke French to till numerically a small group.
Okay. Heading.
And next heading is role of middle class.
Wait.
And the subpart will be beginning of.
Thank you. I'm proud of you, Purshad. Very good. Very good. Rohit Bahl, unmute yourself. Now you tell me role of middle class. Role of middle class. 2 points with heading. Tell me. Very good.
Ma'am, role of middle class will be heading and subpart will be emergence of commercial classes.
Okay.
From in Western to the starting will be in Western and to the for the market, and second subpart will be working class population.
Yes.
Starting from the in its wake and will end in the late 19th century.
Okay. Chalo.
In that conclusion.
Okay. Now show me thumbs up if this question is clear to you. Okay, waiting for a Hardik. Chalo. Thank you very much. Right, beta. Chalo. Next question. Krishnur, unmute yourself, beta. Tell me next question from page number 9.
Ma'am, actually after these questions I have not attended the class.
Oh, this question हो गया not attending the class, very difficult ना. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Shan, unmute yourself. Frame question from page number 9 which we have done already.
What did liberal nationalism stand for?
Okay. अच्छा, can you tell me liberalism क्या होता है? Rahul, what is liberalism?
Ma'am, freedom.
Okay, freedom. And what is nationalism? थोड़ा सा idea बता मुझे.
Nationalism means the people, or nationalists were the people who have sentiments towards their country or nation.
Okay, ठीक है. तो have you marked this answer बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो बता दे फटाफट कहाँ से मार्क करा फिर. जहाँ से दिक्कत होगी हाँ, I'll help you. कोई बात नहीं. हाँ.
The introduction would start from ideas till before the law.
Okay.
Then first heading would be politically.
हाँ, politically वो heading थी, ठीक है.
And it would start from it, emphasize till private property.
Okay.
And the second heading would be socially, and it would start from equality till enjoy suffrage.
ठीक है.
And the third heading would be economically, and it would start from in the economic sphere till economic liberty.
ठीक है. Correct.
Ma'am, only this much.
चलो आगे आ जाओ. Economic sphere. This we have marked or not? Economic sphere.
Marked.
चलो बता दो ये भी बेटा फिर.
हम बता दिए मैंने।
राहुल इकोनॉमिक्स का भी बता दिया। कंक्लूजन
हम कंक्लूजन आपने लिखवाया ही नहीं है इसका,
चलो
3 पॉइंट
ठीक
से
है
लिखवा।
ठीक है ठीक है। थैंक यू। माई 10F इज वेरी गुड क्लास, थैंक यू सो मच। हाँ उर्विश वांट टू से समथिंग? हाँ उर्विश, यू रेज्ड हैंड बेटा। उर्विश यू रेज्ड हैंड, वांट टू
No,
से
ma'am.
समथिंग? अच्छा फिर हैंड रेज करते हो
Ma'am, I
ना।
want to answer the next question.
अच्छा
Ma'am,
ठीक,
I want to answer the next question.
चलो ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। अच्छा उर्विश तू मुझे ये बता, पेज नंबर 10 पे कुछ खास है?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में क्या खास है? समथिंग स्पेशल?
मैम फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ से मैम फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ से नहीं मैम, सेकंड पैराग्राफ से क्वेश्चन फ्रेम हो रहा था यहाँ पे।
अच्छा पर फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में कुछ है? हाँ सेकंड में तो क्वेश्चन फ्रेम हो रहा है, फर्स्ट में कुछ
मैम
खास?
मैम यहाँ पे एक क्लोथ की मैम वो है, मेजरमेंट्स है अलग अलग
अच्छा
के
तो
प्राइजेस।
वेरी गुड। अच्छा दोज लाइंस वेयर वी विल ऐड, वेरी गुड।
मैम वी विल ऐड इन द इकोनॉमिकली फेयर।
यस इकोनॉमिक स्फीयर में हम
लास्ट
डाल
क्वेश्चन।
सकते हैं कि द मेजरमेंट ऑफ द क्लोथ वाज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस। चलो नाउ Urvish will not frame the question. Let me talk to Abhishek. Abhishek, next question, which will be the next question, Abhishek?
Next question will be what was Zolverin? Explain its role.
Okay, next paragraph full answer है ना? तो from here you
Yes,
have made 3 points Zolverin का। कुछ खास नहीं था, ट्रेड यूनियन था, उन्होंने करेंसी कम कर दी और ट्रेड बैरियर्स हटा दिए। This was on.
and ma'am we have written this in book.
We have done this question on book. ठीक है। अच्छा हाँ मेरी टोटल क्वेश्चन, अनुज अनम्यूट कर। अनुज कितने क्वेश्चन हो गए टोटल इसको मिला के सॉल्वरिन को?
I didn't count.
अरे काउंट कर ले, कोई बात नहीं, काउंट कर ले। आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू। हाउ मेनी टोटल क्वेश्चंस? लेट मी चेक कि सबके सेम है।
I'm 10.
10 हो गए। उर्विश इज ही राइट? देखो 7 मैंने यहाँ लिखे थे, 7 तो 3 आफ्टर दैट 3 यू हैव मेड। हियर यू हैव डन पॉलिटिकल कंडीशन ऑफ यूरोप, वो बनाया था। देन रोल ऑफ एरिस्टोक्रेसी था, देन वो 8th हो गया रोल ऑफ एरिस्टोक्रेसी, देन 9th विल बी हाँ लिबरल। ठीक है बेटा, लास्ट 10th विल बी ज़ोल्वेरिन। करेक्ट आंसर। थैंक यू अनुज। नाउ यू मेड 10 क्वेश्चंस। ओके, एनी डाउट किसी को इन क्वेश्चंस में, या किसी को आंसर नहीं मिल रहा? चलो थैंक यू वेरी मच, आई एम गोइंग टू वाइंड अप द क्लास। अब आपका ना इकोनॉमिक का डाउट था, मुझे याद है, मैं भूली नहीं हूँ। इकोनॉमिक लिबरलाइजेशन का डाउट था मैम, इकोनॉमिक में क्या आता है। सो टुमारो वी विल क्लियर दैट इकोनॉमिक लिबरलाइजेशन डाउट एंड देन कंजर्वेटिव वी विल। I know your doubt, your hand raised, 4 hands raised, I know your doubt. Next class में yes राहुल, हाँ राहुल बेटा कुछ अर्जेंट है तभी ही हैंड रेज्ड 2 hands।
मैम मेरा एक और डाउट है मैम।
पूछो बेटा पूछो।
मैम रोल ऑफ एरिस्टोक्रेसी भी बता देना मुझे।
एरिस्टोक्रेसी रूल ऑफ किंग और क्वीन, कोई बात नहीं, टाइम हो गया, अभी अगली क्लास में हम क्लियर कर लेते हैं। राइट बेटा, एरिस्टोक्रेसी भी लिबरलाइजेशन भी, दिस इज गुड दैट यू आर आस्किंग डाउट। ओके चलो थैंक यू वेरी मच बेटा। हाँ अभिषेक मुझे पता तेरा भी हैंड रेज है, और का भी, चंद्रप्रीत का भी। इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल क्लियर द डाउट्स। यही है, हम कहीं नहीं जाएंगे। ठीक है, अभी देखो मैंने किसी आज कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ाया, वरना कंजर्वेटिव शुरू करना था मैंने आज। चलो कोई बात नहीं, थैंक यू आस्था। नाउ शो मी योर कॉपी इन कैमरा वेयर यू हैव रिटन क्वेश्चंस। थैंक यू राहुल, रोहित, थैंक यू पुरुषार्थ। चलो थैंक यू सो मच, आई एम गोइंग टू वाइंड अप द क्लास। थैंक यू बेटा।